How to reprogram your mind while you sleep. What if the way you think, the habits you hold on to, and the beliefs that guide your decisions could be rewired? Not in the hours you work or while you consciously focus, but while you sleep. What if the 8 hours you spend resting could be the most transformational time of your day? Now, hold that thought, because by the end of this message, you'll know how to use those hours to unlock parts of your potential that may have been lying dormant for years. And trust me, you're going to want to stay until the end. This could change the way you approach your life forever. The mind, your most powerful ally or your greatest obstacle. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. That's Henry Ford. He knew something profound about the mind. It's the ultimate architect of your reality. But here's the catch. Most of us are letting our minds build our lives unconsciously. We're stuck in patterns, beliefs, and thoughts that we never chose but inherited from others, parents, teachers, society. So I'll ask you, how many of your thoughts right now are truly yours? How many are holding you back from the life you want? And how would your life change if you could rewrite them? Here's the good news, you can. But first, we need to understand how the mind works and how to use the power of sleep to shift it. Take a moment to reflect on this. Your mind can be either a tool or a barrier, depending on how you use it. It's like a garden. If you nurture it with empowering thoughts, it will flourish. But if left unattended, weeds will take over. And these weeds are limiting beliefs, doubts, and fears that often go unchecked. Imagine a life where you're actively pulling out those weeds every night as you sleep, planting seeds of growth and success in their place. The science of your subconscious. During the day, your conscious mind is in the driver's seat. It's busy solving problems, making decisions, and filtering the endless stream of information coming at you. But the real powerhouse, that's your subconscious mind. It's always listening, always recording, and always running the programs that dictate how you feel, what you believe, and how you act. Here's the fascinating part. When you sleep, your conscious mind steps aside, and your subconscious becomes more accessible. Think of it as the moment when the door to your inner world swings wide open. This is when you can plant seeds of transformation, seeds that can grow into powerful new beliefs, habits, and actions. Scientific research backs this up. A study published in the journal Nature Communications demonstrated that during sleep, the brain consolidates memories and strengthens neural pathways. This means that the thoughts and emotions you expose yourself to before sleep can become hardwired into your subconscious mind. For example, if you repeatedly affirm, "I am confident and capable," your brain begins to adopt this as a core belief, making it easier for you to act confidently during the day. But let me ask you this. Are you using this time to reprogram your mind, or are you letting it replay the same old scripts? Consider this. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between real and imagined experiences. That's why nightmares can feel so vivid and why visualization is so powerful. If your last thoughts before bed are worries or self-criticism, those are the patterns your brain will strengthen. But if you feed your mind with positivity and possibility, you'll wake up feeling empowered and focused. The power of intention before sleep. Before you close your eyes tonight, I want you to consider one of the most important action steps you can take: setting an intention. You see, your mind is like a garden. If you don't plant something intentional, weeds, the negative thoughts and limiting beliefs, will grow by default. Here's what I want you to do. Before you go to sleep, ask yourself, what is one belief I want to strengthen? Or what is one fear I'm ready to release? Write it down. Speak it out loud. It doesn't have to be complicated. Something as simple as, "I am capable of achieving my goals," can start to shift your subconscious mind. Let me give you an example. Imagine you've been struggling with self-doubt at work. Before bed, you write down, "I am competent and my contributions are valuable." You repeat this affirmation, visualizing yourself confidently speaking up in meetings and receiving positive feedback. Over time, this intentional focus rewires your subconscious, making confidence your default state. Action item number 1. Every night for the next 7 days, write down one empowering belief you want to internalize. Speak it out loud before you fall asleep. Visualization, building the blueprint. James Allen once said, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. you will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools to direct your thoughts and, by extension, your reality. Here's how you can use it before sleep. Close your eyes and vividly imagine the life you want. See it, feel it, hear it. Imagine the conversations, the success, the joy. Make it real in your mind. The more detailed and emotional your visualization, the more powerfully it will program your subconscious. Neuroscientific studies confirm the power of visualization. Research published in Psychological Science revealed that mental imagery activates the same neural pathways as real-life experiences. For instance, athletes who visualize themselves performing a skill show significant improvement in their actual performance. Imagine applying this to your own life, visualizing yourself excelling at work, building meaningful relationships, or achieving personal goals. Your brain begins to believe it's already happening, paving the way for success. Think of an architect designing a dream home. The blueprint guides every step of the construction. Visualization is your mental blueprint. The clearer and more detailed your vision, the easier it becomes for your subconscious to bring it to life. Action item number 2. Spend 5 minutes every night visualizing your ideal life. See it in vivid detail. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. The role of affirmations. Affirmations are like planting seeds in the soil of your mind, Louise Hay once said. But here's the thing, the soil is most fertile when you're on the edge of sleep. Repeat after me. I am worthy of success. I am confident and capable. I attract abundance into my life. Whatever resonates with you, repeat it as you drift off to sleep. These affirmations bypass your conscious mind and go straight to the subconscious, where they can start to rewire your beliefs. Interestingly, a study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that affirmations significantly reduce stress and improve resilience. Participants who engaged in daily affirmations reported higher levels of self-esteem and a more positive outlook on life. Imagine how this simple practice could elevate your mindset, especially when repeated during the optimal window before sleep. Let's take this a step further. Combine affirmations with visualization. As you repeat, I am confident and capable, imagine yourself succeeding in a specific scenario, delivering a presentation, acing an interview, or solving a challenging problem. This combination supercharges the impact of both practices. Action item number 3. Choose 3 affirmations that align with the life you want. Repeat them every night as you fall asleep. The influence of your environment. What are you feeding your mind before sleep? Are you scrolling through social media, filling your head with comparison and negativity? Or are you consuming something that uplifts, inspires, and educates? Your subconscious absorbs everything around you, especially in the hours before sleep. A groundbreaking study published in Social Cognitive and Affective Neuroscience revealed that exposure to negative stimuli before bed can disrupt emotional processing and lead to heightened anxiety. Conversely, consuming positive content can enhance emotional resilience and mental well-being. So choose your input wisely. Read an inspiring book, listen to a motivational podcast, or play calming music designed to align with the frequency of your goals. Think of your environment as the soil in which your thoughts grow. If you're constantly feeding your mind with negativity, you're planting seeds that will grow into self-doubt and fear. But if you nourish your mind with positivity, you'll cultivate confidence, peace, and motivation. Action item 4. Create a pre-sleep routine that includes positive input. Dedicate at least 20 minutes to reading, listening, or watching something uplifting. Gratitude, the gateway to abundance. Gratitude turns what we have into enough, said Melody Beattie. But it's more than that. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on abundance rather than lack. Before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the roof over your head or the breath in your lungs. The act of focusing on gratitude shifts your energy and sets the tone for your subconscious mind to attract more of what you're thankful for. A study in Frontiers in Psychology demonstrated that practicing gratitude before sleep improves sleep quality and reduces insomnia symptoms. Participants who engaged in nightly gratitude exercises reported feeling more rested and optimistic. Imagine how this simple act could transform not just your nights but your days. Gratitude also shifts your perspective. When you focus on what's good in your life, you train your brain to seek out more reasons to feel grateful. Over time, this can reduce stress and improve overall happiness. Action item number 5. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Reflect on them as you drift off to sleep. Harnessing the power of binaural beats. Have you ever heard of binaural beats? They're specific sound frequencies that can influence your brainwave activity, helping you enter states of relaxation, focus, or even transformation. Listening to binaural beats designed for sleep and subconscious programming can amplify your results. These frequencies align your brainwaves with the intentions, affirmations, and visualizations you've set. A study in the journal Scientific Reports found that binaural beats can enhance sleep quality and deepen relaxation. Participants who listened to theta wave frequencies experienced reduced stress levels and increased mental clarity. Imagine drifting into sleep with your mind perfectly primed for transformation. Think of binaural beats as a tool to fine-tune your mental state, much like adjusting the strings of a guitar to produce the perfect melody. When paired with the other practices we've discussed, they create a harmonious environment for deep subconscious reprogramming. Action item number 6. Explore binaural beats and incorporate them into your nightly routine. Play them softly as you fall asleep. Now let me challenge you. Transformation doesn't happen by chance, it happens by choice. Every action I've shared with you today is a choice you can make, starting tonight. Will you set an intention before bed? Will you visualize your future? Will you use affirmations to rewrite your beliefs? Imagine how your life could change if you committed to these actions every night for just 30 days. Let me ask you, are you willing to give yourself that chance? Because I'm telling you, you are worth it. You are capable of creating a life that's not just lived, but loved. But it starts with you. Man is made by belief. As he believes, so he is. This powerful quote by the Bhagavad Gita highlights the essence of human transformation. Your beliefs are the foundation of your identity. If you believe you're destined for greatness, your actions will align with that belief. But if you think you're limited, you'll create boundaries around yourself. Reflect on this. What belief is shaping your identity today? Is it empowering or limiting? Another profound statement comes from Dr. Wayne Dyer. You'll see it when you believe it. This flips conventional wisdom on its head. Most of us wait to see proof before we believe something is possible. But in reality, belief is the key that unlocks the door to possibilities. Before you drift off to sleep, ask yourself, what do I need to believe to create the life I desire? Plant that belief in your mind and watch how it begins to manifest. Robin Sharma's words also ring true. Small daily improvements over time lead to stunning results. This is where the magic of reprogramming your mind while you sleep becomes evident. Each night, as you take these small actions, setting intentions, practicing gratitude, visualizing, you're laying the foundation for exponential growth. The results may not be immediate, but over time, they will transform your life. In Atomic Habits by James Clear, he reminds us, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. This quote underscores the importance of consistency in our nightly routines. Imagine the system you're creating by reprogramming your mind every night, layer by layer. It becomes a habit that propels you toward the life you've always dreamed of. Consider the advice from Carol Dweck in Mindset. Becoming is better than being. This reminds us that our growth is a continuous journey. By focusing on reprogramming your mind nightly, you're embracing the process of becoming a stronger, more empowered version of yourself every single day. Another compelling quote comes from Oprah Winfrey. You don't become what you want, you become what you believe. Oprah's words echo the power of deeply ingrained beliefs. She often shares her journey of visualizing her dreams and believing she was worthy of them. Think about it. How many of us have dreams but lack the belief that we can achieve them? Oprah's story reminds us that belief is the bridge between dreaming and achieving. Imagine waking up every day, empowered by the belief that your goals are within reach. What would you do differently? President Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Believe you can, and you're halfway there." This timeless advice reminds us that the first step toward any meaningful change is self-belief. Roosevelt faced countless challenges during his life, from overcoming health issues to navigating political turmoil, yet his belief in his ability to overcome these obstacles fueled his success. Before you fall asleep tonight, ask yourself, what's one challenge you can face head-on by simply believing in your ability to conquer it? Action item number 7. Reflect on these quotes and write down how they resonate with your current journey. Each night, choose one to guide your intention and affirmations before sleep. Closing thoughts. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one action item you learned today. Just one. Maybe it's setting an intention. Maybe it's practicing gratitude. Maybe it's trying binaural beats. Start tonight, and then come back tomorrow and build on it. If something I've shared today resonated with you, or if you learned something new, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the insights and strategies we're sharing here. Liking this video helps us reach more people like you who are ready to transform their lives. Finally, if there's a topic you'd like us to cover, something that you believe could help make this world a better place, drop it in the comments. Your voice matters. Remember, your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Use it wisely, reprogram it intentionally, and watch how your life transforms even while you sleep.